In this video, we will learn how to close all Excel file just one click. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and here you see I'm going to add here one command, close all. So command name is close all, but this command is not available in Excel ribbons. So here I'm going to first add the commands in tab. So go to the file and click on the more option. Just click on the options. Here the Excel options dialog box open. Then click on the customize ribbon and here in commands option just click on the drop down arrow and select the commands not in the ribbon. Okay. So this list of the command which are not added in Excel ribbon. Okay, so here I'm going to search close all. So I select here the one command and enter the C and just drag below. Here you can see the close all command. Now this command I'm going to add in one tab. So here I already custom the one tab, the PND tech, and in this tab I'm going to add this command in ABC group. So I select here the ABC group, then click on the add. The close all command is added. Then click on the OK and here you see the in PND tech the close all command is added. Now you can see when I keep cursor on Excel icon on the taskbar, you can see there are 4 Excel file is open in my laptop. So when I click on the close all, I just click on close all. Want to close your the changes to book to. So save all, don't save. So I just click don't save, don't save, don't save. It's automatically pop up the message and you just select your action. Okay. So this is a way you can close all the Excel sheet. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.